Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage? Yeah, I just couldn't resist buying this. I don't remember what TV program he comes from. It's one of the kiddies ones, obviously. I do remember watching them with my grandchildren. And I have seen these in the past in charity shops going for silly prices. This one was only £1.50. I don't know how it works. It's clearly capable of steering. Whether it's actually radio controlled or whether it does some automated steering, I don't know. Let's just see if we can see the label on it. Can we focus on that? I'm not sure if we can. Teletubbies. Well, that's why I can remember it. Teletubbies 2016 DHX Worldwide. Character Options Limited. Yeah, seem to buy lots of stuff from Character Options. It did make a noise when I switched it on. But it doesn't actually seem to do anything. So we'll have to have a look at that. Yeah, we'll take it apart if we can. I'm not seeing any. Oh yeah, there we are. Screw holes there. So yeah, we'll do a tear down on that one, see if we can get it doing something useful. It'd be fun if it is radio controlled. So it certainly looks like it, but that could just as easily be some sort of random turning. Sounds promising anyway. Love it. Got to see if we can get that one working. Right, next, I can't believe I bought this, another kite. I've got so many kites. I'm trying to get rid of them. And there you go, I bought another one. Dual control stunt kite. Obviously I bought it because it was 99p, my favourite price. Well, £1 is my favourite price, 99p is even better, cheaper. Is it sealed? No, it's not sealed. Oh wow. That doesn't look like it's ever been out of the box, does it? They certainly haven't been used. Looks like it might all be there. Well, we'll do a separate little video on putting that one together. And maybe another separate video on flying it. Although at the moment, there's absolutely zero wind. We're back in the drought conditions. No wind, no rain. But as I say, 99p, yeah, I had to buy that. We'll have a look at that, separate video. At the very least, we'll assemble it and see what it looks like. And then finally, I've already got one of these. I did peek at this one in the shop, because again, the 99p caught my eye. And I peeked inside, got the instructions, and again, sealed, unopened. So I thought, well, I've got to buy that. 99p, it's worth having. I mean, even if it's just for the electric motor. There'll be a link in the video description to my playlist for the tin can cable car, because what I did was I fitted a camera here. So instead of a tin can, we got a camera going backwards and forwards, because what this does is it goes along till it hits a stop, that pushes that lever, that changes the direction of the motor, and it goes back the other way until it hits the other end, and that lever pushes back and switches it back the original way. So it just goes backwards and forwards, and I've used it as a camera dolly. It swings around a bit, so it's not perfect by any means, but it works. And I just thought the opportunity to have a second one for 99p, it was worth having. I probably won't do anything with it other than put it in my stock. But if you want to see it working, say check the video description, there'll be a link for the playlist, which does include it going backwards and forwards in the woods, across the valley, filming the valley. Thinking about it, obviously there'll be a link in the video description to my playlist for kites. I've got lots of playlists for kites, broken down to just kites generally, stunt kites, parafoil kites, diamond kites, novelty kites, so all in the video description. And we'll do a teardown for that fella. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.